So what makes Alex Turner so stylish and attractive? And what can you learn from him so that you can look better as well? In this video, we'll take a look at his style and grooming choices to see what makes him look great all the time. Some of my international viewers may not know who this guy is. Basically, Alex Turner is the front man of an English band called Arctic Monkeys. And he's well known for being pretty stylish, so I thought he's a good fit for this series, and a few of you have mentioned him in the comments before. And this video could be really useful inspiration if you're a skinny guy, because I'd say Alex is pretty slim himself. Now, Alex's style has changed quite a lot over the years, but I'd say that he's most well known as this style icon for his retro / greaser look. Unlike Michael B. Jordan, who we covered in the last video, Alex generally wears very similar stuff a lot of the time. His retro aesthetic is really highlighted by his choices of blazers. He's got a variety of different ones that he wears all the time, and that's quite useful because blazers are quite a versatile item. You'll also catch him in different types of leather jackets as well, both of which are normally paired with some form of dark denim jeans. My research also indicated that he is a big fan of horizontal stripes. I'm unsure as to whether this is kind of an intentional choice or something that's just ended up happening, but these tend to go well with his jackets, especially when they're open. Outside of this theme, you'll also see him occasionally branching out into brighter colours, normally with some form of bright retro yellow, which are certainly attention-grabbing pieces. His footwear choices are also quite different from the majority of men I've already covered in this series. I struggled to find images of him wearing anything but moccasins and loafers. This guy loves a good leather shoe. These are normally in some form of dark brown or black leather, but he has been seen before in different types of suede versions. His hairstyle is also something that really stands out and gives him that iconic look. His hairstyle is normally some form of big, slick back pompadour, which is styled with some form of high shine pomade. This contributes even more to this greaser aesthetic, and is definitely more striking than his previous hairstyle, which was just a mop top. Recently, however, he has been going for a buzz cut instead. So let me know in the comment section below, out of A and B, which do you prefer? For me personally, I prefer the hair longer, and I feel like when he has that really short buzz cut, it kind of doesn't even look like him. Either way, let's jump into the hit or miss section. Let's take a look at some of this guy's outfits and see what succeeds and what doesn't look so good. In the first image here in this photo shoot, I love this jacket. The big pronounced buttons and the colour choices here, I think it really goes with his style. Paired with those burgundy trousers, I think that this look is a real winner. Definitely a hit for me. The second is evidently quite a dated photo of this guy, and I've kind of only chucked this one here to show how far this guy's come, because in this picture, I can't say this is nice whatsoever. He kind of looks like a kid that's been caught bunking off school. The V in the jumper is far too deep, there's loads of excess material through the sleeves, doesn't look good. That one's got to be a miss. The third outfit is an unusual one for me, because although traditionally you wouldn't say that this item particularly fits that well, I really like this one. I don't know whether it's something to do with the texture and the smoothness of the material, or just the way that the photo's been edited. But even though the shirt is evidently quite baggy, I think it kind of goes with the look that he's going for here. And for his personal style, I think this goes well. So I'm going to give this one a hit, but let me know what you think of this one in the comments section. Now, the final outfit here is one that I just think is kind of very plain. Sometimes you'll notice that these celebrities will wear stuff in order to try and avoid getting attention from paparazzi. So I don't know whether that's the full reason that he's wearing what he is here, but I just don't like the shape of those jeans in particular. They're wider at the ankle than they are at the knee. And then the t-shirt's got a big print over it, but overall, even though Triumph is quite a cool brand, I don't like the look of the t-shirt. The shoes also look wrecked, so it's got to be a miss for me. That's a look at the style of Alex Turner, someone who's quite different. I hope you enjoyed the inclusion of him in this series. Let me know which celebrity you want to see next down below, and if you want to see similar style tips videos just like this one, then make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.